What are your vacation options? A vacation is generally a leave of absence from an ordinary job, a certain holiday or trip, usually for the sake of leisure or tourism, and often for the duration of a year. Most people take a holiday during specific holiday seasons, such as Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter, Halloween, Thanksgiving and the like. There are some who go on vacations just for the fun, as in the case of a weekend break. It is not uncommon to plan a long-term holiday around the year, taking it away every 3 months. Many people take holidays with their family members. They can spend time together doing things they enjoy, such as camping or fishing, watching sporting events, driving, playing tennis, sailing, dancing, going to the movies or any other activity that you and your family may choose. Others decide to have children over for a weekend. They can play games and spend time together. There are also getaway vacations that offer a fun and relaxed vacationing experience. Many travelers get themselves away from it all to relax and be with others, whether it be your extended family, a group of friends, your dog, cat, rabbit or parrot. This could include the family's home or cabin, a resort, a camping site, or any location that offers you a place to go away from it all and forget the hustle and bustle of the everyday world. Getaway vacations can be just that, a vacation away from it all. You can even choose to stay at a rental hotel where you can rent a room for a few days, go on a few days of activities and spend time there. If you decide to get a getaway vacation, there are many places to choose from. Some offer all-inclusive packages, and others do not. You need to consider what your interests and preferences are before choosing one. If you want to get away from it all and travel alone or with the family or a friend, you may wish to get away in a more remote area, or if you know little or nothing about traveling. If you are interested in the art, history or culture of a particular area, you will want to make sure to pack your bags accordingly. Getaway vacations are the perfect way to escape the stresses of work or the cares of everyday life. Whether you are retired or working full-time, you will find that when you get away for a bit you will have more time to yourself. In addition to a vacation, getting away from it all will give you a break from the monotony of day-to-day living, a chance to spend time in nature and rejuvenate your body and mind. Spending a week or two in a quiet spot away from the cares of the world gives you and your loved ones the opportunity to reflect on the past year or the upcoming year, both good and bad. Vacations can be romantic, educational and/or fun. Whether you are planning to spend a week or a month, a week, or even just a day, a getaway vacation offers you a great opportunity to get away from the everyday grind and get out and see the world. Getaway vacations are a great option for a long weekend away. They can include the ability to explore different parts of the country and give you the experience of traveling at its best. Some travelers can choose a place that is well suited for a romantic getaway with your partner. Some couples, for example, take off in a rental car to visit the various national parks or forests and national landmarks in their chosen area. Traveling is a great way to relax and enjoy the beautiful sights and sounds of your destination. Whether you are going for a week or just a few days, it is important to know what your options are in terms of finding a vacation rental or private location where you can take your time and let the world come and go as it pleases. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about vacations.